right, this is Miss Laredo. This is my video on how to create the Schoology buttons at the top of my Schoology course. So this document right here, Schoology buttons, there's a copy of it below the video. So if you want to just open this up and then you can edit it however you'd like. So that way you don't have to go through all the steps I went through to create this template. So in order to create your own buttons, you're just going to title each of these buttons. These are just text boxes. You can go through and title them however you want. Once you're happy with the way they look, you're good with the buttons, then you need to grab a picture of each of these buttons. So the way you can do that, let me see if I can extend my screen so you can see it. Okay, so the way that you can take a picture of each of these buttons is through an extension. And you can do this a lot of different ways, but I have an extension called Lightshot, and you can just add this through by going into just opening up a new tab and searching Lightshot and adding the extension to your Google Chrome browser. This will only work in Google Chrome since it is a Google Chrome extension. So I use Lightshot. It says select area. I just select the button, one button at a time, and I hit copy. There's a lot of different options here. You can upload it straight to printscreen.com. You can share on social networks. You can search the image. You can print it and then save it as a PDF if you want. You can copy, you can save, and you can edit it however you'd like using any of these editing tools. If you don't like the way that the picture came out, just hit the X button or the undo, and you can just start over. So I'm going to copy it, and it does this funky thing where it goes to a different tab that you've got open. Once you do that, don't worry, it copied it. Then you're going to go into a Google Doc, okay? So here, this is what you're trying to create here. In order to create this, you are going to insert a table, and I have got a 3x3 table. Insert my table, and it comes up like this. So I want my picture to go right here. I'm just going to Control V to paste it, or you can right click and paste it however you'd like. And the button goes in there. Okay. From there, you're going to click on the picture of the button. You're going to go over here to Insert Link, and you're going to paste your link for Home Access Center here. So let me go grab that real quick. Not Home Depot. I'm going to go to my link here. So here's the link to Home Access Center. I'm going to paste it right here. Make sure you hit apply. And now this is a clickable link. Okay. Now I don't want all these black lines in my table, and I don't want 3 cells here. I want 1 cell. So I'm going to highlight these 3 cells, and I'm going to merge them. And then I am going to put my title here, click on the below buttons to navigate to important resources. I'm going to center it. And I don't want the black lines, so I need to format that. I'm just going to highlight my table, and I'm going to come over here to border color, and I'm going to make that white so that you can't see it. So now it doesn't look like it's in a table, but it is. Now the reason why I put it in a table here is because when you're copying and pasting this into Schoology, it has to be in a table. If it's not in a table, it will not paste correctly into Schoology. So now again, I have got this resource linked in the bottom of the video, so you can just click to open up this resource and you can just add your own buttons here, however you'd like, into the table I've already created for you. Most of y'all probably want to keep your home access center there. You can keep that there. The rest of these you'll probably want to delete because they link to my personal resources. So now let me show you how to get this into Schoology. Here we go. You go to Schoology. You're going to go to Updates right here. It's underneath Course Materials. You're going to go to Updates. And you're going to paste them in this box, just the table. So let's go grab the table. Got to highlight it, copy the table, paste it there. Now the key here is you wanted this little drop down button next to post. You want to check the box next to the little bell and you'll hit post. Checking this box makes it to where this shows up on the materials page instead of just the updates page. If you do not click this box, it will only show up on the updates page. So students aren't going to see it unless you click this box and you'll click post. I'm not going to click post because mine's already posted. And that's how you post these to Schoology.